Hey, man, we got an EZGO here. It's got the Sepex. It's got the Sepex controller on it. I'm gonna turn it right. You see it? The Sepex controller. What it's doing when you hit the gas is it just hit the gas there. Hit the gas. He's hitting the gas. Watch it. That's fast as it's going. It's jumping. So what we're going to do? We're going to put the black lead. How many black lead in the meter? I only have like a dead battery, but we tested the battery. Battery tests good. We put the black lead on B negative down here. Then you can put the red lead on the solenoid, the big post.
Either one?
Yep. All right, where's the voltmeter at? You got you on the voltmeter. I need to see the voltmeter. Put it over here, please, son. Now I'm gonna hit the gas. All right, you can see 30-something volts. Go to the other side, solenoid. Other side solenoid, we got 37 volts. You get over here, son. All right, black lead on main negative. Then we're gonna put the red lead on the solenoid again. Big post, showing the wire puts into that. All right, hit the gas, show the voltmeter, hit the gas. All right, there we go. Going to the other big post, hit it again. All right, now you can see right there, it dropped down to 40 volts. But back here, put the black lead in there, and the red lead there. And what do you have? All right, you guys hit the gas, son. You gotta hit the gas lead on the seat. When you hit the gas, get it. See 49 volts. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave my black lead here, put the red lead up here, show the solenoid. The solenoid where the main wire goes. You hit the gas. All right, you can hit it again. All right, you can see there low voltage, 41 volts. Wait, it's telling me we got a back connection here. Let me get a wrench. We're gonna take this off here. What our wire was loose to begin with. Take it off. Make sure it's all cleaned off. Yeah, you can feel the heat this thing's pulling here. You can see the wire was loose there. You get sandpaper. We'll take this broom here. Clean it off. And this is what I tell you, man. Spray your batteries off about once a month, and you won't have no corrosion shit like this built up. All right, I'll take this here. I'm gonna take this wire brush here. Clean that contact up. Up, clean the charging wire off. Put her back down. And like I said, but this is why you got to do preventative maintenance. You have to spray your batteries off, man. If not, you have a problem like this here. All right. Get on it. Be careful, don't run over nobody. And we'll see if it runs. Get forward. Just like that, man. You seen it, man. All right. That's why I tell you, spray your batteries off once a month, man. You'll save the problem of bad connection, anything bad. Stay tuned, man. We'll post more. Always remember, hey.